Hi everyone, this is Lisa, your host for today's video. So in today's video, I am giving you a winter tour of our family room. First thing I want to talk about is this Trust in the Lord with all your heart little sticker here. This actually came from Dollar Tree, and I don't think I've ever talked about this, but I love this. It's kind of coming up because it's really old. It's been up here for a few years. But I want to find me another one because this is so adorable. I really love this, and it's in the perfect place. These mirrored light fixtures actually came from Amazon. I'll have the link below to everything that's linkable. This is the remote to my ceiling fan up there. We can control the ceiling fan with the remote, but we just leave it here so that it will not get lost. Okay, let's talk about the bookshelves. So my bookshelves are from CB2. I've had them for a few years. Now the price has skyrocketed on these bookshelves. I think I paid about $200 for mine, but I think now they may be $400. Every year decor is going up like crazy. Well, I like them so much I bought two. And actually, if you're interested in these, I'll leave the link below. They actually anchor to the wall. So you could see that screw in there. They anchor to the wall. And once you get them on the wall, you're not going to want to move them around. So, because you don't want to put a lot of holes in your walls. So starting at the bottom, the frame of me, my sister, and my mom is from Z Gallery. The Paris and New York books that I have on each bookshelf is actually from Z Gallery. I've had them for like 5 or 6 years or more. This little mirror here is from Joann's Fabric. It's actually a wall mirror, but I'm using it as a tray. Remember, you can use your decor pieces for different, for different decor purposes around your home. My candles came from either Home Goods or Amazon because I love candles. I love battery operated candles. I don't too much burn candles. These ceramic books are from Z Gallery. The Ming boxes are from Z Gallery. And this decorative vase here is from At Home. If you're interested in teal decor, which I love teal decor, whenever I want a new teal piece, I either go to At Home or, of course, Z Gallery. Okay, so let's move on to the fireplace. My fireplace is from Wayfair. The hourglass here is from Home Goods. The other pieces are from Z Gallery. My little lanterns on the side of the fireplace is from Z Gallery as well. Candles from either Amazon or Home Goods. The little rug is also from Home Goods. Now, whatever I do to one bookshelf, I do the same to the other. So I have the same thing on this shelf, which I think is super cute. Let's move. The wall art is from Home Goods. These beautiful flowers here is from Hobby Lobby. I need to get me some more. These are gorgeous. This tall vase here is from Z Gallery. Actually, both of those are from Z Gallery. I'm a silver girl. I love gold, but silver is my favorite. So this is what I have going on here in the TV area of our family room. Oh, and what do I have playing on my fireplace? I have my video. That's my video. I recorded my fireplace for a while, and then I did a video so that I can have it playing in my videos without getting any copyright strikes. So if there's any creators that wants to have screensavers going in their videos, hey, go for it. Try it out. So let's move on to the other side of our family room. So all my wall art is from Home Goods, but that mirror is from Burlington. My furniture is from Rooms to Go, all except for the little accent tables over here. Those are from Z Gallery. The lamps here are from Walmart. They're super cute. You can do so much with these lamps. Right now I have them just plain. My ginger jars over there and on the other side is from Z Gallerie. My pillows, the teal pillows, are from Z Gallerie. However, this beaded black gray pillow here is from On Cloud 9. I love it. It was a collaboration over on Instagram. This throw blanket is from Z Gallerie as well. My area rug is from Home Goods. I'm ready to change it out. I've had it in here for several years, but I really like it because it's an outdoor rug and it's durable, and if you get something on it, it's easy to clean. That's why I don't want to part with it. So I may just give it a good clean and just keep it. Okay. So my coffee table, the vases are from Z Gallerie. The candle holders are from Bath and Body Works. The tray is also from Z Gallerie. And the Ming box at the bottom is from Z Gallerie. However, the ottomans are from Ross. The sconces on the wall is also from Z Gallerie. So I have these decorative Dior, Chanel, and books that I have on my end tables. Those are from a young lady over on Instagram. She gifted me those. I will leave the link to her below. I have them on both sides. Now let's talk about my water feature. This is the new addition that I wanted to talk to you about. Of course, I've always had a water feature ever since I've been on Instagram and YouTube and things like that. But I just recently changed this one out. My other one was old and it was just time for me to replace it. So I love, love, love the water feature. Let me just tell you, let me show you the details of it just in case someone wants to order one. So the water comes out of these little sprouts here. You can see that. And then they have this little protective cover just in case it decides to splatter or something like that. The water flows down and you keep your water in the base down here. Let me show you. So yeah, there's the water in there. And the rocks, now the rocks that came with this was those brown rocks, but I pulled these rocks out of my backyard because I wanted white rocks. My drapes are from Amazon, so I love this water feature so much I had to replace it. I did not want to part with my water feature. If I still have the clips from putting it together, I'll add it to the end of this video. So anyway, this is the end of this video. I hope that everyone enjoyed it and that it inspired someone on how to set up his or her family room. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.